So welcome to this video, guys. This is Sabani from Crypto Puncher. In this video I'll be showing you how to download Delta. And by the way, if you missed Pi, CPEN and Arishen and so on and so forth, you don't have to joke with this project. This is likely to be another big project in the nearest future. So as of the time of making this video, there are less than 300,000 miners of Delta globally. So as you can see, you are very early in this project. Don't take it for granted. Dive in and start mining heavily. So currently they don't have their iOS app on Play Store. So what you do is download the APK file, the latest version. So let me give you a practical step on how to do this on your mobile device. So you click on the link. So once you click on the link, it will direct you to this place where you have to download Delta app. You click on download Delta app, then you see download Android APK. You click on download. So the Delta app is downloading, as you can see here. So we're downloading the APK file. So let's wait for it to download. So our APK file has been successfully downloaded. So let's install it. You click on it and then click on install. So you allow it to install. So we have successfully downloaded and installed the Delta app. What I will now do is I will click on open. Let's see, this is the APK app. So what you do is you click on country or region, you select your country. So you select your country, Nigeria here, then you put your number here. Make sure the number you are putting here is your WhatsApp number. Make sure that the number you are putting in here is your WhatsApp number. So let me type in the number. So you click on next step. Then you have to input your DID, which is the referral code. I've already copied that before. You input it here. Then you choose a nickname which is as the same thing as username. Input it. Then you click on next. Then you click on DSMS verification. So you click on get. So when you get to this place, shift this to global universal. You click on that. Then you have options here. You can choose Britain, you can choose Hong Kong. So let's choose Hong Kong. Then you click on next here. Then copy this verification string. Make sure you copy it. Then you switch this SMS to WhatsApp. Then you click on this icon that looks like Telegram, but it is not. It is a send button. You click on it. You click on confirm. So it will prompt you to drop a message through WhatsApp. So you send. So our message has been sent. So we go back, and then I will click I've sent verification string. Next step, I will click on confirm. Good. I've successfully downloaded, installed and registered on Delta. So I'll click on this. So this is the home page. This is what it looks like. Every 24 hours you come back, you click on mine to start mining. So with the latest version, with the latest APK version, you can now mine USDT. You can see the mining here. While you do it is you come here and you click on this ad, you play this ad. So as you can see here, the time has started ticking and you have 2 more ads to watch after this time. So this is a new built-in feature where you mine USDT, which will be later converted to USDT. So that is that. So this is your Delta homepage, you can see here the number is seriously increasing on daily basis. This is 270,000 as of the time of making this video. Then another more important thing you have to do is make sure you set your security circle. How do you do that? You click on this icon here, then you click on add manually, because these your security members security circle will be the ones to help you to recover your account whenever your phone lost or you log out. So how do you do that? You manually input people that you want, choose country, then you type in their mobile numbers. Let me add first one. So you input your fingerprint for verification, and then you add up to 5 persons that will help you. Out of that 5 persons, one person, whenever you want to recover your account, you will choose one person to receive a code that will enable you to relog in again. So you must make sure you add people that you trust to your security circle, people who you trust, people who you can easily access anytime. So if you want to see your profile, you click here. This is your profile. Down here you can see your profile and details. This is your, if you want to copy your referral link, and then DID, which is your referral code, you copy it here. So guys, this is how simple it is. Start mining heavily. There is good thing about this project. They are really building from the scratch. So if you find yourself in this project already, you are lucky. If you are not yet, please hop in and let's see how it goes. Thank you so much.